We are going
live.
Yeah.
It's Friday night, and we are home here in the basement. I don't think I ended up putting my title on there.
That's okay.
We are in our thrift shop,
AKA our basement.
basement, which is our future
workout and dance room.
Yes. That is our goal, and that is why we are spending our evenings here in the basement instead of outside on the porch, because we are doing something that I have been thinking about doing for 6 months.
A long time.
Yes. It's been a long time. So for the past 6 months, probably since January, I've been starting to put clothes down here. Typically, I sell twice a year in the Little Lambs consignment store, which is a consignment sale that our church does. And so I was planning to do it again, and that's why it was 6 months ago I started to put the clothes in here. And I signed up to be a seller, and then COVID happened.
Surprise.
And of course they canceled the sale, but they've decided to do it online. And so we're putting together our stuff and we're selling it on the Little Lambs group in Facebook, but we're also selling the stuff, some of our things, on other sites. So we wanted to go live tonight and show and tell what we've been doing this week to prepare and post, and what you can do too if you have stuff that you want to sell. You don't have to sell it on the Little Lamb site. You could sell it on your own site. You can sell it on other groups. If you're in Lexington, there's the Lex Mom Service and Goods. There's several other sites that you can find. There's even you can use Facebook Marketplace. Courtney, you recently sold an item.
So I sold my phone. I sold my phone on eBay, and I got another one. I got an iPhone 8, and I put some stickers on there. And my sticker business, which is also how I've been getting money to earn and buy more things.
So you sold your iPhone 6 on eBay.
Right.
And how much did you end up selling it for?
I ended up selling it for $98.
$98. So it kind of went as an auction.
Right.
So you
bid on it.
So they bid on it. They could have just paid a price now, but people decided to bid on it. And then you went and bought your phone on eBay. And did you have to bid on it?
I did not bid on it.
You bought it.
I bought it for
price.
You could bid on it if you wanted to, but I just said buy it now.
So you
and
just
then they gave
me
a counter offer, and I accepted that counter offer.
Very cool. Is there anything else that we're selling on eBay or anywhere else?
We're selling iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 6S Plus. We're selling 2 of them.
So you and Dad are working on that. You all do the eBay stuff. I do the Facebook stuff. And you just help both of us.
Right.
You're our assistant. And then we've got some other stuff in the garage that we're selling too.
Some big stuff. That's big stuff.
We have a refrigerator, we have a microwave, and we have a stove, because the refrigerator, the ice maker doesn't work very well, but everything else
we got a new refrigerator.
Yeah, but everything else about the refrigerator works, just the ice maker didn't work. So if you needed a second refrigerator to put in a basement or to put in a garage, it would be a great refrigerator, but we already have an extra one in our basement. We already have an extra freezer in our garage, so we're going to sell it. And then our stove, there was nothing wrong with it, but it was white, and we wanted to get a black one because our countertops are black and our cabinets were already white, and the black just looks a lot better. Yeah. But in the right house, a white stove would look great, and it's a gas stove and it works great. So what have we been doing this week to get ready?
So we have been organizing a bunch, putting things in piles. We've started selling things on the Little Lambs closet. You can check that out if you're interested. We doing swimsuits, and mostly swimsuits right now we've been posting. We're also coming with lots of American Girl dolls, because I used to love American Girl dolls. I would play with them for hours. I had hair salon stuff. I had so many outfits for them. I mean, I just had anything you would have. I had umbrellas. I had winter jackets for them. I mean, it was just
You love your
extra.
American Girl dolls.
I love them. I got like one every Christmas.
Can you show us one of your favorites?
I will. This one of them is one of them. She was a dancer. Her name is Isabel. She has a little dance shirt on right there. You can see, and she actually comes with. She came with this like little trinket box, kind of, and it comes with. If you open it up, it has little latches. Everything's gonna fall out.
I know everything's gonna fall out, but
she has hair extensions. Your phone's about to die.
I think it died. Oh.
She has hair extensions, and it clips into her hair. She has all these hair things for dance, bobby pins, things like that. That was one of my favorites. I also have another one. I'll show you. I can go get it.
All right, so the American Girl dolls are going to be the next thing that we post. So if you're interested in them, let us know. We'll make sure to tag you on them. So that was who? Isabel?
This is Isabel.
All right, who's the next one?
This one is Marie Grace. So I really liked her because and her name was Marie, and my middle name is Marie, so that is why I really loved her. Plus, I think she was like in colonial times. I think that's why her dress is like that, and I was obsessed with her dress.
I think she might have been in New Orleans for some reason. She had the book and we read it, and she was in New Orleans.
So it comes with this dress and her, obviously. Then it comes with an extra outfit.
A little American Girl outfit. And
a jacket.
Very cute.
So, you want me to
and
show
then there's some bitty babies. Those were Caroline's. There's twin bitty babies, and then there's just a bitty baby. And then we also have, these are actually the our generation from Target.
They fit American Girl dolls.
That fit the American Girl dolls. And their little carrying bags, and the girls use these. I think if you actually remember, but I think like one of the only times that you actually used this
on a trip.
We took them to Disney.
Trip. Yeah. Because we were so desperate to take them, we could not leave them behind.
We had to take them on our trip, so they put them like it was their luggage.
Yeah.
And they carried them.
And we did put their clothes in it and everything. We changed their clothes. I remember.
Yeah. And so we have
extra we are.
several other outfits that we'll post. We have a lot of other clothes. I see Anna and Elsa over there. Other dolls, other electronics. We have several different shoes. We have tap shoes. We have some dance costumes and ballet outfits and shorts and tons of clothes. And some home decor, a lamp. I'm just looking around here. Eventually we want to sell the pool table because like we said, we want to make this our dance studio and workout area. So the pool table is going to have to go.
Okay.
So if you know anybody in the market for a pool table, let us know. It's a great pool table. Works great, but it's just going to be an even better dance and workout space for us.
We also have bathing suits. You said that.
Yeah, we already.
I just wanted to show one of the cutest bathing suits ever. That obviously won't fit me. But
this was your bathing suit.
We have kids' bathing suits, and we have some of your bathing suits. Not very many, just like I think 2 of them. But look how cute this is.
You wore that.
And
when you were like 2. We went to Arlington and Richmond.
That's so cute.
The sentimental value Courtney's parting with.
It's okay, it's just bathing suit.
Alright, just bathing suit. So we have some games. Let's see some games over there. Like I said, we have some costumes. I know there's some old dance costumes as well as Halloween costumes or just dress up costumes. There's Disney, what was that movie that you watched? The kids, they were the different Disney characters. Maleficent, no. The purple outfit. That costume.
Rapunzel?
No. It was when you were just like you're 13 now. When you were 10. And you had that purple hair.
Maleficent.
No, not Maleficent.
No, it's Maleficent's daughter.
Yes.
Mal.
Descendants. The Descendants.
Okay, well,
we have Descendants outfits. That's what I was looking for.
I'll show you some games. So I used to love.
So tell us.
Caroline and I used to love this. so basically, I think it reads to you about them, and you just like put them in here, and so it has a little slot for them.
Oh, it's a learning game.
Yeah, it's a learning game.
Yeah.
And so like if their favorite movie is Belle, and you put them in here. I don't know if we have batteries in it or not.
Yeah, we usually take the batteries out so that it doesn't like warp. I think that's the
But
right
then
word,
it'll read it to you, and you press different things, it'll read it to you.
Yeah. And then there's the Leapfrog little computer. And actually, I think we took the batteries out of
Yeah.
it. So, oh,
Is it, or, yeah, I
yeah,
think we
we
took
took the batteries out of everything so that they wouldn't.
randomly come on.
That happens too sometimes. Yeah. But they still work. We need to put new batteries in them.
So, I think,
So is that it for tonight?
so
So we are going to continue taking pictures, continue posting. Send us a message if you want to be tagged on the post so that you can see them. Or if you have questions and want us to give you any guidance or explanation on how to post your own stuff, let us know. It's not hard, but it does take time and it does take a little effort of putting it all together, organizing it, taking pictures, posting it, kind of keeping track of what you post. So it's really nice to have an assistant. So it's more fun not doing it by yourself. So doing it with others, you can do it with, just say you're doing it with us, and then it'll feel like you're not doing it by yourself. But if you want to buy or sell and do it with us, let us know. But we're having fun doing it together.
We're listening to music. It helps if you listen to music.
We're listening to music, and we're in the Declutter Challenge through Shailene Johnson, which is one of my favorite workout trainers. She teaches a workout you may have seen on some info commercials called PIO, and she is just energetic, and her family is fun, and they're just helping us get it all together, and again, doing it as a group because it's more fun to do it together. So we'll come back and we'll show you some more stuff that we found and give you some more tips on what we've learned as we go through the process. Let us know if you have any questions, post them below. Again, if you want to be tagged on anything, let us know specifically if there's a certain item you're looking for, or if you have a certain question, post it below because somebody else might have the same question too. All right, have a good night and we'll talk to you soon.
Bye.